So let's first talk about Shopify pricing, because for this e-commerce store you are going to have to pay for it and there is a pricing scheme up front. So let's go to pricing and talk. There is 3 tiers. There's the basic, all the basic features, Shopify, everything you need for growing business, and advanced Shopify, which is a lot more money, of course. I'm going to show you this version. This is the version I've paid for and I have on my charity site. But I'm going to just quickly walk through the differences. So you're going to get an online store, unlimited products, so you don't need to worry how many products you've got. Staff accounts on the 29 version. You're going to get 2 staff members, 5 and then 15 on the bigger one. So obviously if you've got other people who need to log into your account or into your back end, you can give somebody else access to do that. 24-hour support is on all. Sales channels, this is things like selling on Facebook, selling on Instagram, selling on a buy button on a different website, things like that, across all platforms. Locations, so tracking your inventory. If you store your inventory in different warehouses, different storerooms that you want to track, 4, 5 and 8 for that. Everything's got manual order creation, discount codes, SSL, which is this little padlock in the corner, meaning that your site will be secure. Abandoned cart recovery, gift cards. So the things then you're going to drop off, you're not going to get professional reports. To be fair, I don't know what that is. Advanced report builder, so you can probably tinker and build reports as you want. Third-party shipping rates, so show calculated rates with your own account or third-party. So when it gets to shipping, it can get funky on shipping rates. So obviously with the top tier, it'll do some stuff for you. Shipping discounts with people, you get 64, 72 and 74% with these major shipping companies if you're using it. Be able to print your shipping labels on all platforms. UPS priority mail cubic pricing. So that's obviously something to do with shipping. I don't really know what that is. Fraud analysis across the board. Online credit card rates. So this is where it changes, right? On the $29 version, it is 2.9% plus 30 cents on your card. In-person cards 2.7, but they don't get the extra rate, and then it falls down, right? So when people use the cards, they're gonna charge you a certain amount, right? So this is if you use Shopify payments. So if you just set up as and let Shopify take the money, these are the different prices across the board. It doesn't go down that much, does it? Additional fees using all payment providers other. So if you want to go direct to PayPal, direct to WorldPay, or other sort of things, you don't need PayPal to take your money. They're going to charge you 2% anyway on that $29 one. So you almost might as well use Shopify payment, because PayPal's going to charge you 4% or whatever, aren't they? Whatever it might be. So if you don't use PayPal, you're going to be paying PayPal. If you don't use Shopify's payment gateway, you will be paying 2% to Shopify anyway, or 1% or 0.5. Point of sale lite, you get across the board, and the point of sale pro, which is like an iPad thing, I think it is. This is for your point of sale till. If you need a till, it's $89 a month. But a lot of you are going to be starting out at $29. What I like about Shopify is I don't think they've changed that price for 3 or 4 years, maybe even longer. So they're not a company that bumps prices around. So they're impressive. I do like them.